As he works his way down through this obstacle course, we just went for a ride, a little bit different perspective. So potholes, get into comfort mode, because it's more real world between the railroad tracks and the potholes, more real world using it in comfort. Then as he works his way out, he's going to start to raise the suspension height going through the mode. It's going to go to the Off-Road Plus mode, which is basically your most aggressive. So again, using the rotary switch, getting over to his off-road mode, manually putting it into level 3, because you do have to flip the switch because it is speed sensed. Rolling up onto our little bank turn or side tilt demonstration. So again, capable of up to 30 degrees before any threat of rollover in the highest setting. So kind of gives you a quick demonstration. You can see now it's at its full ride height. See the difference in the gap between the tire and the fenders. Nice tight turning radius as he works his way up the hill. Again, demonstrating, he's going to demonstrate your hill assist, which is one strike on the pedal. So it's about 45% grade. So again, the hill assist is one strike on the pedal, holds the brake pressure for about 1 second before there's any rollback. So again, great for stop signs, stop lights. Hill hold is more pressure on the brake pedal. It goes to a hold, pulls up a hold on the dashboard. Will hold the vehicle for up to 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, it puts itself in park and sets the park brake. And then using his DSR, so that's our downhill speed regulation. Adjustable from 1 kilometer to an hour to 2 to 17, roughly. Yeah. And again, we do it in reverse and neutral to demonstrate it works, both in reverse and neutral. And it is done truly through the ABS, so it has nothing to do with gearing or transmission. Yeah, no, none of that. So it does activate the brake light, so if you do pull a trailer in tough situations, the DSR will set your brakes too on the trailer if you have electronic brakes. So as it works around the switchbacks, turning radius, again, 40.8 feet. Using the 360 cameras to help him get around.
Yeah, best in class, you're saying?
Yeah, best in class. All off-road package vehicles has the best turning radius in class. And really, it's a function of the open differential system we use with the 4MATIC 4 ETS.
So it's different than the standard car?
Well, they have open diffs as well. So, but with the off-road package, you know,
with the extra software for it and everything,
right,
you're able to do this.
Right. Because with our locking transfer case, you still want the wheels to be able to free up and stuff. So it's basically what it's doing is constantly measuring your wheel speeds, making adjustments. So the 4 ETS 4MATIC are constantly keeping the wheels turning at about the same rate. So again, using DSR down the hill about 1 mile an hour. See it creeping down, approaching departure angle. So the nose gets fairly close coming down the hill. And the highest setting, about 30-degree incline, or 30 coming out. So it's pretty good approach at departure.
Sensors, it constantly it's making for you if they want to.
Yeah, it recognizes how close you're getting. Yeah. And then good demonstration for ETS. Ground clearance as it works its way up over the rock climb. Pretty aggressive surface. Again, you notice no wheel spin, and if it does, it stops fairly quickly. And if you watch closely, even if a wheel gets off the ground, it will get stopped. So the ABS is being applied. So your 4 ETS is looking at wheel speeds. If the wheel cuts loose, it doesn't want it to keep spinning because the vehicle can't progress. So it's going to apply some ABS to that wheel to match up the speed. You get a better idea once it gets on the roller test as well. I got to keep an eye on the wheel speed. Once he stops on the roller, just pay attention to the left side wheel. You'll see him instantly spin quickly and then they'll slow. So it's applying the ABS, trying to match the wheel speed. You see the way it's spun pretty quick and then they adjust the speed and they'll stop and turn. In fact, as it comes around the mogul, the Mercedes mound, watch that left front tire. Okay, because you'll see it spinning a little bit and turning, but it never completely stops. So it's trying to maintain the same rate. So don't get too close. So as it comes up around the mogul, picks that left front wheel up about 3 feet. Again, opening and closing his door. You can open and close all 5 doors of the unit. No ill effects to the chassis. We're getting that 5,000 plus weld, 43 plus different metals. Not purely for stiffness, obviously, it's some design for swap results and stuff like that. But having a nice stiff chassis like that also allows the suspension to work correctly. So there's no flex. The suspension allows to do it. Most of the consistency of the work is way down the motor. You see it keeps the tires pretty well planted to the ground all the way down through that. But if you notice, the cabin isn't really rocking a whole lot. So adaptive damping, active curve at work. Your active curve is your sway bar system. So again, a little bit of wheel spin, computer kicks in, recognizes the wheel speed change, down into the water fording test. So about a 30-degree approach angle as it drops down in there. So it's really approach and departure angle because it levels out, same thing as the exit. Roughly 18 inches of water. Yes, sir. Go ahead.